Hi, my name's Jeremy from Dejero, and I'm here to show you how to turn our LivePlus mobile app into an Ethernet encoder at home.
Now let's take a look at the adapters you're going to need to turn your LivePlus mobile app for iOS into an Ethernet encoder. So first thing you're going to need is the camera adapter from Apple. So this is very simple, it has a USB on one side with the little camera icon, along with the lightning adapter to charge the device and to power the USB to Ethernet adapter, because some of the adapters will require external power for this because it won't power off the phone directly. So now that I have this, I will also plug in the USB to Ethernet adapter. So very simple on this one. I also grabbed an Apple one here just to keep things congruent, so that way I am able to support this with the latest iOS version. So I simply connect the adapters here. Now that this is connected, I'm ready for Ethernet. Plug in the Ethernet cable. Then I will apply power to here, and then I'm ready to go and to give a test on my LivePlus mobile app.
All right, now that we're back in the LivePlus mobile app, all I'm going to do is start my transmission after I have all my dongles connected. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Start in the upper left. Now that my stream is starting, what you can do is see the different connections on here. So you can see that Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and cellular. It will use all of those, but if it sees Ethernet, it's going to weigh heavily on the Ethernet, so it's going to use primarily Ethernet. So now on the bottom of the screen, what you're able to see is the Ethernet connection right here, which is labeled by E, Wi-Fi, which is the W, and then cellular. So this will show what connections are being used at that time and how much it's being weighed in order to get your live transmission back to the station. So now you know how to turn your LivePlus mobile app into an Ethernet encoder at home.